investors. This is Patrick from StockMasterTalk.com. Putting out my Friday weekend review video a little bit early as I'm not going to be here over the weekend. If you haven't caught a weekend review before, it's basically where I go over the charts that I did earlier in this week and kind of just bring you up to speed on how they performed this week, any news that came out, and we'll kind of take a quick look at the charts as they stand at the end of the week. Right now, this is the HHSE stock chart video that I did earlier this week. It was a good day, a good chart, really exciting. I want to take a look over real quick at the chart today, closing on Thursday. Usually this would have been the chart for Friday, but like I said, I won't be here to make that video tomorrow. Opened up at 0.03, closed at 0.03, traded 975,900 shares. HHSE, the Hanover Housing Corporation, still projecting pretty good. It's still got the SAR shooting straight up, and our 50-day moving average is still in that uptrend. Down here, our MACD line did cross under to 0.02. Not entirely too afraid of that right now. We do see our RSI, the 14-day, approaching our center line, putting it right in the balanced range. Our HHSE is the Hanover House Corporation. Also released this news on April 11th, that was yesterday, that they got the production plan for Mother Goose. It's going to be a major film featuring A-list celebrities and cameos with a major star to play the role of Mother Goose. This is going to be one of the biggest movies that Hanover House has ever done, and hopefully the most widespread, which should increase the value of the company. The other video I did this week was the HBRM Herborium Group. This is the chart from earlier in the week. Once again, it was a really exciting chart that our 50-day crossed over that 200, and it was just really amping me up, at least, for a really good week. If we go back to what it looks like now, it carried right through. Opened up at 0.072, closed at 0.008. That's a plus 21.21%. Traded 96 million shares. Our SAR is still rocketing up, and our 50-day moving average is still in that uptrend. Our MACD expectedly dropped down right there, kind of just consolidating. I'm not too afraid of that yet either. Our RSI hit that center line at 50 and bounced right up to 52.06. HBRM also had some really exciting news this week. They partnered with Kama Sutra, the USA company that commercializes in vodka production. Herborium is actually going to be creating the first natural herbs vodka. This is going to be a huge market for this company to get into, as you know, market share for vodka in the USA is $4.8 billion in annual sales. This is only going to be able to help push Herborium further in the market. Also, an interesting thing that was in this article was that they're actually going to, on the bottle of vodka, are going to have promotional materials that link to the Herborium proprietary, the sexual health botanical therapeutics, which is an unprecedented exposure for that market, which is really great because the market of sexual health is such a limited and confined market. This is really going to broaden that spectrum. Really interested, really excited. Going to keep my eye out on Herborium Group as well as HHSE. But that is this week in review. Really good week in these two stocks, I would say. Everything else seemed to be, you know, not too bad. Good week, good week. Until next week, everybody, though, I hope you will take it easy and have a great weekend. Look forward to hearing from you next week. Alright, if you have any questions or want to get in touch with me, you can email me at stockmastertalk@gmail.com. You can visit the website, www.stockmastertalk.com. Follow me on Twitter, same thing. Also, you can find me on the popular boards. You guys have a good night.